Hey, hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad babs on my everybody going propaganda ganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle.
What's going on? Is it hot or is it cold?
It's hot cold.
Everyone is just doing their own thing.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Episode 71, Microwave Boys, take one.
Yes, we'll only do one take.
Wait,
bro.
do
Do that thing, boy. Do that thing, man. Do my lick thing. I hope you guys are at home.
Say my fine things.
Okay, they're at home. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me.
Yeah, I got the foundation I used last week.
Yeah.
The foundation is homemade. But the lipstick, is, you guys can get it at, the link is here.
In our description, check the description.
Everything is in my description.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Shout out to the lipstick company.
Stop.
Are we bitter because nobody's giving us lipstick?
God's giving us. You know they used to bring us Mac. What happened to our Mac?
Paga stole it.
You lost our Mac.
Yeah.
Do you remember when they gave us Sesco? I'll never forget that day.
And we ate, boy.
They said low brown.
They said, look, guys, they gave us a package there.
I've never in my life seen a gift pack.
They gave us a gift bag with an umbrella there.
There was an umbrella,
And
there was
polony.
Vaseline, polony, cheese, a loaf of brown bread.
And it was not cut, you know how hot it was big at home.
That was a gift pack.
It didn't fit in the toaster.
And Archer.
Yes.
I said, what the fuck?
Is that they even give us wet wipes? There was wet wipes.
Yeah.
Wet wipes in case the Archer spills. Oh my God.
They thought about, okay, Archer is very messy, you might need a red
The
wine.
cheese.
And then you're gonna wipe your shelf, you're gonna need some lip ice. That's why they put it there. Cheese.
on that day.
Yeah,
You come
episode.
to Cotton Fest.
No, I didn't. You know what happened, right? I got tickets.
And then you slept.
No, I was throwing them all out, and then I realized that I threw out mine as well.
She just
like,
rocked up there and
hey.
told them, I'm Larry. I know you recognize me.
No, fake.
I showed Paga there, he was drunk. Well, I got there early and Paga was already drunk.
I actually got there at like 12.
And then they stole my phone,
And
but I don't know, Ricky, if we exchanged information, if I send your people the invoice or...
Yeah. But big up to Ricky, man. I heard it was
Yeah.
freaking amazing.
Are you shouting
He was
out?
our last guest for episode 70, which was also a smash.
Yeah.
But now we're into episode 71. We got a special guest. I'm still laryngitis. He's still Spaga. He's still Sipos. And we're still the
Microwave Boys.
Yes. And episode 71. Hit it with it. Let's go.
I'm gonna do this next one in tongues. I'm gonna have to do this entire segment in tongues.
Guys, it's all
So the
happening.
people we're speaking to can understand that.
Yeah.
Pastor Bushiri.
Yo!
He's from Malawi, originally.
Yeah.
As you guys know, he
Bushiri.
runs
A cult.
one hell of a church.
A cult.
One hell of so many people, man. That guy's so rich. Private jets, everything. He's
Bro.
so blessed.
Bruh.
Not really all the blessings when they pray. He can't, yeah.
Super blessed.
He's funneling all the blessings directly to him. The people in the congregation, they're saying, even us, we want something. Whoa. But it's just jaw in the breast. Now you know, the breast, whoa. The breast, whoa. Anyways, you know, he's been arrested and this was
Bushiri.
happening in court.
Guys, people were crying. In the road, people are crying. Grown men, big tears. Big things, big tears. Look. Guys, that's a lot of people.
No, rewind a little bit. There was one guy who's not serious here. That guy who's standing up. No.
The red chairs.
He's
People are
overseen.
punching the floor.
Whoa.
Are they praying?
That guy's not really. They drag that nigga.
Yo, this guy crying. Oh boy, that
Shut
guy.
about a hand, shut about a camera.
Shut about a hand. Shut about a camera. Wow.
Hey man, this is some other commitment. And they said if we don't get Bushiri out of jail, they're not gonna vote.
Yeah, that's a lot of people though. It's a lot
That's
of
what we're
people.
dealing with now.
It's a lot of people.
Why did Bushiri
And
get
this guy is
arrested?
also part of Bushiri's church.
Guy, oh no, guys. Oh, not this guy.
What did he do?
If you guys remember this guy, he was from Rich Kids.
Yes.
Yeah, he was from Rich Kids.
Yo, that guy milked that episode.
And new strategies on how to trade forex. So, when I'm showing you now, what I'm showing you now is actually what you need to know now. But God has already shown me because I'm a son of a prophet, he's already shown me what I'm going to teach you in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, the whole 12 months of this year. God has already showed me your whole journey with Forex, what's going to be happening. So make sure that you download this app. It's called Market Trends on.
Yeah, I'm gonna show
Whoa,
you
guys,
right now.
whoa,
I'm
whoa.
gonna show you right
Forex
now.
traders. No
But
way.
this guy came with the Forex angle first. He was just going Forex.
Yeah.
And then somewhere halfway he decided, after they arrested him as well. I said, I think I need to involve Jesus now.
No, they're super arrested. Man.
And then he got like behind Bushir. So he's like, Bushir already has the contacts. The WhatsApp group is popping.
I saw one of the pastors was saying, yeah, if you want your blessings, go swipe. What card do you use?
Oh, I've actually seen the clip as well.
What card do you use? Absa, go swipe.
Don't look at me. Go and swipe.
You want your
What
blessings?
church is this? Don't pray. Get up. Go and swipe. People are running to go and swipe.
What are they swiping for?
For their blessings.
Well,
He says like, yo,
tithe or whatever it is.
yeah, if you want your blessings, go swipe. What
When's the last time you went to church, man?
I'm a very
you know God?
I'm very blessed. Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed.
What's your favorite gospel song?
Silent night.
What?
Oh,
This is the last thing close to a church song he's saying, because it was just Christmas.
hit him with
So this guy,
horse mayor.
oh my.
You guys bring up the
He's not
racist
even
topics
trying.
just to get me hot.
Yeah, I always look for them. I'm like, I need to find something racist, super racist.
Sipo, this one is for you. Is that what you said in the group?
I actually said in the group, I said, Sipo, this is.
As you guys know, Steve of Mirror is openly
Sipo,
racist.
okay, can I just say something?
And he
Sipo-
really misses
Sipo-
apartheid.
And Sipo super hates racists. Like, super. Like, it makes him angry. Look at that.
I want to fight this guy. Just give me 5 minutes.
If you guys could see his hands,
Ever see-
he's got that hand from
No.
the cartoon. You know that cartoon? He's got,
Just put us in a room and then 5 minutes, but like, just borrow me that guy.
yeah.
Borrow me that Steve of
yeah.
Mirror guy so I can ask him. Just 3 minutes, 2 minutes, ask him. You know when the mother sees the child not in the supermarket?
Yeah.
Like, if you just borrow me that child.
Just bring me out.
That's how I feel about
Yeah.
this guy.
What flags are those?
Oh,
Spaghetti, you have a reason why it's taking so long to transform. Some of you guys are walking into this bar, you're seeing this flag, you're like, oh, what a nice flag.
where did this flag come from?
This is a nice flag.
You
Looks
don't
like,
know.
hey, Munna!
No,
You think that's the French flag?
No, France is red. That's orange.
no, you can't be. This can't be you. No,
You get literally
you
one
come.
more guess.
You come from Cape Town, bro. You like, hey.
Round zero.
But this guy does these things to aggravate people. Surely.
He does, but also he means it. So it's not just trying to say, let me just get some retweets. No, he also really hates black people.
Look at the caption, please.
So he's not playing at all.
Look at the caption, please. I beg.
He was even answering in the reply. He was answering in the reply. People were like, hey man, why would you do this, man? This is how could you miss a birthday? He's like, yeah, I missed it because there was order in that birthday.
Yeah, he actually said that. Yeah, he did.
I can hear him saying it.
Ah,
Does
man.
this guy still perform? Does he get
I
gifts?
hate Steve Hofman a lot.
I guess he performs for other races because I don't know why everyone thinks the racists went after 1994. Like after they voted, say, whoa! Whoa!
Pelile.
Yo, well, that was nice, yo. I know, enjoy. I wrap it up, guys. Have to
And then it was done. And then it was.
have to let the black sit, but yeah, we had a good time, man. I thought it would never end. Hey, it was nice, boy. Remember when these guys wouldn't come in?
I'm gonna take off my t-shirt. This is a lot.
Oh, it was nice, boy. I
like
get into
the
the
sun,
street and it just be us, boy. Yo. Hey, now that here, it was nice, boy. Everything's cool. You go out of nowhere. You tell them, hey, clean. They clean. It was nice. Man. That's what they do at the prize, guys. They're like, guys, but we enjoy it. Yeah. Yo. We had a good time. We had a good time. You didn't have to pay them nothing. Just say, hey, clean. Then he cleaned. They're like, look, he's cleaning. This thing is like magic, dog. God, it was nice.
Funny, but it's not funny.
That's what happens at the bride.
This is funny, but it's not funny.
What do you think happens at the Steve Hofman bride? They talk about
Oh, this is funny, but not funny.
I'm sure they even recognize some of them. Remember our older, like our mothers, our fathers, our grandfathers, they even recognize some of them. Hey, wait now. I remember you.
Not funny.
Pete, you remember this guy? We used to tell him, yeah, nice now.
No, it's done. That was a trash.
That's why we must never forget.
That was a trashy joke. Boy, this nigga's got a PhD in cheating, but hey. Hey.
It's cheating at the robots.
Yeah, live.
It's calculated cheating.
But he's like, you understand, he doesn't want to read the phone here, you know? Have you ever received a risky text?
Um,
You know when a text comes in and you have to read like this.
but how entertaining is the guy who took the picture? Like he saw him, he's like, not this guy. Not
Sometimes
this
you
guy.
get a text and it's like at the wrong time, you just never know
But
who it
it's-
is. And you're like, yo, you know what I mean?
I'll put it on loudspeaker. Hey, where you at, nigga? Yeah. Tonight we gonna get a lot of hey! Hey! Tia Metro. Tia Metro, it's the news.
Yeah, it's
I want you to know what's going on in the country because every day every day you must listen to me. Hey.
Oh wow.
Oh, this guy's outside, dog. He's out. Not even like, you know, he's like outside.
This guy's
I wonder
Yo,
what he's
bro,
telling
this
his
guy doesn't.
girlfriend.
Yo, boy, this nigga doesn't care, bro.
Let me tell his girlfriend he's taking the tire pressure or something. Baby, check the tire that side.
Yo,
This one is looks a little. How's the one on that side looking?
oh,
Slaves built the Parthenon. Slaves built America. Slaves, this is your song. Thank you. Slaves,
That bitch did the moonwalk.
He said slaves both America.
this is your song. Thank you.
I know it.
I'm in shock. What the poos?
They said thank you this time.
it's funny because it's true.
See, that goes head to head with that Steve Hove man shit. See?
Yeah, so now you know. And
Did
that's
Hoff-
one day.
Did Hoffman produce it?
Probably.
That was cut.
At the end, how they faded out. Thank you, slaves.
Oh man.
All right, talking about slaves.
What? Where are you going with your link, bro? What is this?
You're gonna have to scroll up a little bit.
I don't know.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Yes, we've wanted you here for a very long time.
It's very long.
We've wanted you for a very, very long time.
Very, very long.
Why are you guys screaming?
Huh?
Very hectic.
No, because you know the projection of the.
What were you gonna say about speaking of slaves? Because
Yeah.
my name was after them. So
Oh.
To live like a protection.
niggas ain't shit, bro.
Anyways, the grand babes. I'm saying,
We're so happy to have you here. I won't lie.
Hey,
Like,
I'm
for
so
the real,
excited.
And congratulations on the first single. I know the second single's about to drop.
Yeah.
You know, can I tell you something?
Caught us by surprise. Tell me-
Listen, we never aspired.
When you guys were in the studio, I know what the conversation that was happening. After you recorded that song, I'm sure you laughed. You're 100% convinced they're going to try and deny this one, but they know you knew.
It was scary, but I mean, I'm glad I did it.
And you're getting booked. Like, you're not getting
No, for
booked.
real,
You're
for real.
getting like
No, I
booked.
really
booked.
am.
Yo,
Well, I know you're getting booked because they mad. But I know, what's happening? All the shows. Yeah? Yeah, I know you're on lineups, boy.
Even that them was Spina, so.
Hi, John. I know word for word.
Oh my
sing it.
God.
Let's go. You know, it's that part. Like,
Come on,
what's it?
baby. Come on, baby. Root. It's a mucka rook and nickel root. Him it's a man rat of the bands, of the bands, of the bands. That's it, there.
What's in the bag?
I thought you'd last 1 minute. So that was our guest Boyd for this week. We tried to
Shout out.
Hey,
keep Bob morning.
Mamela.
Fringe.
Yes, the fringe guy.
Oh my
That's
gosh. But I still look like that. That's crazy. For real, I do. And that was like 11 years ago.
Why didn't the guy blow up, Shay?
what's the guy's name?
He watches this ad and goes, man.
No.
Sometimes he goes into Wimpy. You guys still have the cheesy nature. But sir, it was a promotion.
Yeah, you made
The
this
cheesy
go to
nature
blow
is
up.
finished.
Wimpy should have given
Please,
you rights to
guys,
this
let's-
one.
maybe we should try and do the cheesy nature again. I have something that I wanted to say that day. I didn't get it. So,
I think he was trying. Like, he was trying some stuff. I don't know what, though. But.
Shay.
Amanda,
Oh,
you've
for
come,
real.
you come far from working at Wimpy, Bon and Lona.
What do you mean?
You're
when
micro
you-
boys, I mean. You know,
What is happening?
No, it wasn't working. It was an advert.
I
Oh,
thought I was working at Wimpy.
I'm thinking, yeah, this
It
is.
wasn't working.
I think this journey has been long and God has been good.
from the hairstyle, I saw the Jenny has been long.
I will.
But it's a nice long.
No, but
like, it's way better. Like progression.
I don't even know why I'm here, but anyway.
Elevation.
No, you have to talk with us. We're going to talk about social issues.
Whatever.
And
Let's
things
go
like that.
on then.
Okay. So the craziest thing happened. You know, you got your coins for that wimpy
Yes.
advert. Someone else was using coins.
It was actually small coins, but it's, we won't talk about that.
Something.
Yeah,
At least thing I don't
Like
know.
our subsequent coins.
Yeah.
This guy had a bill at the club, and he says he's not going to use his card. I think the bill was 3.5 or something like that.
Instead of paying.
He said, "I'm paying in coins."
What?
That-
Yeah.
Wait, did he have the
Australia, he
coins?
paid.
Yeah, look, there's the coins there.
So call no shop right check us.
No way.
Those ice pop plastics.
And the way to get
Yes,
No, every ice pop.
Is this South Africa?
Yes, yeah,
This
that's
is
a
cocoon.
Sick,
Yeah, yeah.
sick.
Like, this is literally last week.
He planned that for a while.
Yeah, and someone made him angry. One of the
He
waitresses made him
sure.
mad.
He was like, actually, fuck these niggas.
Yeah, someone made him mad.
Rule number one, you must make sure that the coins add up to the right amount. So you can't come there with short coins.
It's not like
Yeah,
easy
yeah.
coins.
So he knew, and then like, also don't go over the budget.
Yeah, yeah.
So 3.5 round the coins at 3.5. Anyone who orders a Valpri or another extra tequila, please put it on the next bill.
Didn't Samsung do this?
And you guys can say no. You can't say you don't want the money.
Yeah,
there.
no, I remember doing this when I went to go pour petrol. Didn't have a lot
Where
of
do you
money.
think he got the coins from, though?
I got apps.
Who gave him the coins?
Guys,
He said, "I know."
Because Cody's
it."
father shop, but the man, because of the coins, okay.
Try get that change.
Professor change. Even at
for real.
Professor change.
Could be changing,
So
yeah.
where did he go?
He was just driving around Joburg talking to
buying
beggars.
Yeah, on that change.
I've got a 50. Do you have a... Whatever you have, just take the 50. Bring it.
What's going on here?
This lion is just too
So what
pretty.
are we seeing? What are we looking at?
I found this lion and I thought it was like the prettiest lion ever.
That's it?
Yeah, yeah. I just like.
We're gonna talk about that?
Yes, I mean this lion is a skr lion, bruh. Look at it.
How?
Larry said this line is sexy.
It's a
So you know it's a
sexy
male
lion.
lion, right?
Yeah, I would work
You know,
on it.
also
So
do
you
your
think
thing.
screw niggas are?
No, I'm saying this lion is like, hey.
See, now you have to
Look
explain.
at us.
You see where you are now.
Look at this lion, bruh.
I have no idea why
This
this
thing-
lion is here.
look at this
That's
lion.
very weird.
It's a pretty ass lion.
Also, the topic is called light-skinned lion.
Yeah,
you
it's
guys
a-
are trash. Like,
No, don't tell her.
you know, there are actually albino lions, but that's not one.
So you guys don't like this topic? Okay, move
What
on.
the
How is
fools?
that topic?
Larry, I thought you were joking.
How do you guys invite me for such a shit show? Like Ricky's show was so fun. You guys were laughing
No.
so much. I'm just here like waiting for the thing.
Ow!
I said yes because I saw Ricky's show and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna laugh. It's gonna be cool.
Ow! You've been laughing. You're laughing the whole
Yeah,
time.
whatever. I wasn't in here. So I want funny stuff. Don't bring me a fucking white lion. What's that? Oh, that's so whack.
I feel like we're getting shouted at. But it's fine. Actually, this is Larry's fault.
No, guys,
It is.
who else said content? Me. Just me.
You said light skinned lion.
Yeah.
How is that content? Why
Yeah,
me?
Larry, how's the content, dude?
Why me?
I thought.
Why
like,
Boydie?
Why me?
Honestly,
You could
this-
have given this to like I don't know who, but not me.
Like,
Wow!
Nice to see us out here looking like a successful lesbian. Drives a pony.
Nasty! So... Why is this caption so accurate? That's exactly literally every single successful lesbian dresses like this. They all have that short band. Everyone knows that short band, guys. With the tuck-in and the belt. Ah! Everyone knows that short band. And then he says Bondo there with the... Ah! The steals. It's a very humble. It's a very humble look from Nestle.
And the hands like this, bruh. The hands like this, bruh.
It's a Friday work look. Then hit him with the second pose. Go back. Then hit him with the second pose. Uh-oh. Hit him with the side view, young.
There we go. I'm happy.
I
Actually.
had to come across, guys. Thank you so much for that.
Anyway, hero of the week. You're right.
Uskwatele wopwethu.
Yes. It's like, you guys give me this. Yeah.
Uzabona izawuthela le episode.
Oh, I saw you tweet about this situation.
Are they tying shoelaces?
No. What do you mean?
I'm asking.
Ish.
Someone's already chopping onions. Someone's
I think no.
someone's chopping onions.
Obviously, he's paralyzed. No. Boy, hold me. I get sharp.
Someone's chopping onions.
Okay, I'll take it back.
I didn't know it was this beautiful.
Guys, Spaga's gonna cry. Spaga's gonna cry.
actually-
Now I told you guys, now I'm sweating.
Are you crying? Oh my god, he's like really crying.
Someone's chopping.
Sorry.
He's crying.
Sorry.
Nigga ain't crying.
There's a tear
He went like this.
Spaghetti cheese cries with Q. I don't.
So then,
Yeah, it does
Cries
cry.
with Q. At any given time, you can say Spaghetti cry.
No, guys, this is sad.
why are you,
It's sad but cute.
why are you pretending that this is sad? That's
It's
very
not.
weird.
It's sad and cute. It's
It's
like the
very-
cutest thing ever.
No, but he's pretending to cry, so he's not
I'm
really
not-
touched.
It's. Yo.
Why
You
do
come here to grill us or what?
No, I'm just like, I'm
enjoying
trying
this.
to understand.
No, like, and detached.
You're
Bao
not
na
really
detached.
crying.
Bao got touched, not detached.
Whoa.
Yeah?
Detached.
You what? What's that?
Detached. Well, I'm not going to. But like I both kind of know.
Is that another topic?
It's a single. The second single.
No,
What do
it's
you mean is that another topic? What do you mean?
What were you?
Yo.
no.
What's
back in
wrong?
the-
Why
You're back in the dog books.
Now, first single.
The whole episode, I'm
I
just
said
in the dog
I was
box.
expecting a hit from you,
Significantly.
and it is a hit, and I love it. Second single, now you've got my attention. Remember this? I told you how I go to the shower now. You're trying to replace my shower
I
song.
still want to hear the lyrics of this song that you go to the shower with. I want to be sure that.
When that is very rude. Let's make the voice.
Yeah, yeah.
And don't forget the face.
Rude.
Yeah.
You was ugly as my past.
What's in the bag?
Okay.
That's a really good question. Boy. Hey, don't make me. I'll break this
That
down.
one.
Okay. He knows the song.
So
Yes.
second single coming out today, right? Which is Friday.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yes.
It's coming out today.
Probably out now.
I'm sure it's already out by now.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I be sure? That's weird. Let's just say it's out. Yeah. It's out. People have heard it and people love it.
All digital platforms: iTunes, Spotify.
Yeah.
I'd like to apologize.
Deezer,
I just want to say
Apple,
sorry.
all
I'm not
of it.
support the piece when I rap.
I'm sorry for the topics.
Can I go back
I
to some
know,
beef? It's real now.
Yeah, no, still
Next
Next
single.
It's like I want to say second single.
I'm sorry for the topics.
Now next week they'll be asking you, so what the EP?
I'm sorry for
cooking
I'm
or
sorry
what?
For the topics. I should-
Next single.
I should have done better with myself.
Third topic.
Yes.
Third single. Spaga, Boiti. It's a rap.
I'm sorry for the
So when
topics.
the edit comes out, everything is going to be fine.
What topics are you talking about, Larry? Oh.
Lion.
So wait, let's talk about the next single. The next single, Me and You. We call it Bayeza. We asked the Bakai. Yeah, we are there. Bayeza. So Spaga, Boiti. It's a roots.
I told these motherfuckers that I go hard on them. There is no I in team, but I gotta get it for the team and I control the game I'm in, and you cannot get me to switch sides. Swift approach like I'm Taylor. See, I'm cut from a different cloth. I'm interested in revenge. My payback has an added cost. Talking music or you talking rap. You ain't talking pay, you talking yap. I'm stuck here in a small pond. The biggest fish like water catch. Telling me to go crazy. I already went local. I cannot stay local. Mine's always been global. Skeletons in my closet. Dead, that's a killer outfit. A lot of people talk about me. We don't ever talk about it. Lord knows I just landed. Give me strength to be the landlord. Paulie Wong my handle. You touch your bitches, get handled. I'm Dap Game's commander. Fucking with me is a no-go.